Let's learn Excel's power tool called Quick Analysis. We will start with plain data for now. No formulas, no formatting. But in a few clicks, Excel will turn it into a complete report. I just press Ctrl+T, confirm that my table has headers, and click OK. This step helps Excel recognize the data structure and enables AI features like quick analysis. Now, when I select the table, notice the small lightning bolt at the bottom right corner. That's the Quick Analysis tool, Excel's built-in AI assistant for data insights. Let's click it. The first tab is Formatting. Excel instantly highlights important values using color scales or data bars. It automatically spots trends, highs, and lows. No formulas needed. Next, the Totals tab. Excel suggests common calculations like sum, average, what percent of total. Watch how it instantly adds totals to the table, everything auto-calculated. Under the Charts tab, Excel's AI recommends visuals based on your data pattern. Hover to preview, then click once to insert. In seconds, your plain data becomes a professional-looking chart. The next option is Sparklines. These are tiny charts inside each cell that show a quick monthly trend, perfect for dashboards or quick comparisons. The Tables tab lets you apply styles or even turn your data into pivot tables for deeper analysis. Excel sets everything up automatically: column headers, filters, and summaries. And that's the power of quick analysis. With just one click, Excel identifies patterns, builds visuals, and creates summaries. Try this on your next report and see how much time you save.